Hello, my lovely fart faces. Today, I'm coming to you live, no, not live, recorded from my loft in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. And I'm very excited to be sharing with you a sneak peek from Oraloa. Let your creativity sparkle. Ooh, I'm very excited. So I opened the box to make sure this is the one that I should be sneak peeking or previewing for you guys. But I wanted to show the box because this is how it comes. It comes delivered in an outer box, and they have this really cute packaging tape. And my cat refuses to go away, so you might see him a little bit in this video, but he's just as excited as I am. So your diamond painting comes in this box within a box, and here is Oraloa, and here is what we're going to be sneak peeking today. Laure Phelipon Pleine Lune. Pleine Lune. I don't know how to say that. It is French. It measures 46 by 50 centimeters, and it's a round diamond painting. If you want to check out Oraloa, there's their information on social media. And look at this image, guys. Isn't this adorable? Oh my goodness. What does Pleine Lune mean? Something about the moon. Oh my god. Okay. So here is a little treatsie that you will get with your order. I believe all orders get this, not just mine because I'm doing a sneak peek, but you will get little treats in your order, which I love about Oraloa. Nice little bonus. So here's what I can show you. We have greetings from Oraloa. That's a really cute custom sticker. Then we have their artist cards, and I actually have a number of these artist trading cards, so I'm very excited to be getting more of them. Ooh, and you get a little tray. Look how adorable that is. That's really cute. It's 3D printed. And then you get one of these treasures. Scratch me. If you have 3 tikis, you will get a kit of your choice. Oh my god. I hope I get 3 tikis. And then what else do we have in here? We have a little card. That's very cute, like their contact card. Can you just not, cat? So here is the card. It's hard to focus because of the box in the background. This is cute. This must be leftover from Christmas. Let your creativity sparkle. And there's a little tiki dude wearing a Santa suit. And then we have a little bear. This is really cute. I might actually put this on a bracelet because that's adorable. That is adorable. So I really like the little extras that Oraloa gives you. Let's go ahead and scratch this card though before we open it up and see if we got 3 tikis. Oh, I didn't get 3 tikis. But, I mean, that would have been cool. But that's okay. There's always next time. There's always next order from Oraloa that we can get 3 tikis. Wouldn't that be awesome, though, if you got 3 tikis? Let me put this stuff aside, and then we'll get into the diamond painting kit. Let's pull this out of the box. Here we have our canvas. Is there anything else? That's it. So here we have our canvas nicely wrapped in plastic. And let's open this baby up. Pull out whatever's in here. Toolkit. So here are our drills. They come pre-baggied in They come pre-baggied in baggies. We'll take a look at those after. And then we'll take a look at their toolkit. In case you've never had an Oraloa before, it comes with, ooh, very nice pink tweezers and a diamond painting pen with a 3-placer, a clear 3-placer. And what else is in here? We have a diamond painting tray. Ooh, I love this. Oraloa branded washi tape. Very snazzy. Snazzy. I was trying to say very fancy, and then I said snazzy and then fancy. And then we have this 6-placer, I think. And Scruffy likes to collect things on his fur, apparently. We have a purple squishy, and we have blue diamond painting wax in a little container. That will come in handy. Here's a little sheet with information about Oraloa, and then in here there's instructions on how to diamond paint, some tips and tricks, and then just let your creativity sparkle Oraloa there. Then, oh my goodness, I love this. You get a sticker sheet. Oh, it's so cute. you get a sticker sheet with a thumbnail. Look how cute that is. Oh my goodness, that's so adorable. She's kissing him. And then, so this diamond painting measures 46 by 50. You get a bunch of little stickers. These aren't pre-cut though, so if you do like these stickers, you'll have to cut them out. But the labels for your containers are pre-cut, or you can put these on your baggies. You can put them on whatever you feel comfortable with if you're kitting up, or you don't have to use them at all. But the option is there, which I think is really great. It looks like this kit is going to be 50 different colors with 3 ABs. So we'll take a look at those ABs after, but now let's take a look at the canvas, shall we? So here's our canvas. I rolled it backwards because it is poured glue, and it's just, oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. First of all, I love the size. So again, that's 46 by 50 centimeters. It's not too big, not too small. I think that this size is great for this rendering. I think it will show enough attention to detail. And let's take a look at her face. So what concerns me right off the bat are the little pink dots in her face. So we'll have to take a look to see what color that is, because I am not certain that I want to put pink dots, like something bright as pink dots on her face. But you can see from the drill area that all the symbols are very clear. Not seeing any issues with the symbols or like having difficulty reading what symbols are what. Looks like it'll be a good mixture of color blocking and confetti. Wow, this painting is gorgeous. I really love the colors. I love that she's kissing him or her, and it's just, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. Again, here is the thumbnail. So if you want to compare this to the rendering, wow, I think it's nice. I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Let's take a look at those drills because I do want to see which color is going to go on her face on those pink ones. So number 24, 818. I know you guys will be concerned about it as well. So let's just take a look. Oh, okay. So it's not even like on the canvas, it looks like she's going to have acne or something, but this is the color. So it's not going to stand out. It's not as pink as the rendering or the drill field shows it. So that'll be really cute. Okay, I was a bit worried there. I'm going to pull out the ABs. This light pink color, I love this, like baby pink. And then this purple color. So we'll take a look to see on the canvas where these ABs go. I have done Oraloa round kits before, and like I have no complaints about their round kits at all. Honestly, like I really like doing their round kits. I haven't tried they do have new square resin drills, but I haven't tried those before. I do have a kit which I plan on working on next, so make sure you hit the subscribe button if you are new here so you can get updated about the Oraloa square kits. So for the first AB, we'll take a look where that purple goes. That symbol is A, so you're going to see the AB in this light purple color down here, and along here. And then we have 819 AB, which is that light pink color. We will find that in the face here. One down there. A little bit in her face. I know some people don't like ABs in the face, but they're very minor. Like they kind of just highlight her face. And along this area here, you'll see that AB here too. So I'm curious to see how that will work up because I thought there was only ABs up here, but no, there's ABs down here too. This actually might turn out really pretty though because that AB is such a light pink. It's not like bright and like in your face AB. And then we'll look at this blue AB, which is the upside down U symbol. And that's the blue one that we just looked at. So you're going to see that all along in her hair. And along the moon, the top of the moon here. And I think that's it. So like, I really like it because there's not a ton of ABs. Like I am a big fan of ABs to highlight things. I'm not a big fan of like, let's do a diamond painting. That's all ABs. No, thank you. But let me know what you guys think about the placement of the ABs. I really like it. I don't think it's too much overload. I think there's just enough. The cover for Oraloas are pretty thick, which I really like. I like the thicker covers because they sit nicer. The diamond paintings is sticky. And yeah, so this kit was sent to me from Oraloa to preview for you guys. I did not pay for this kit, but everything in this video was my first impression, and I was telling you basically how I felt about it. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of this diamond painting. Are you going to get it? It is being released February 17th, which I believe is tomorrow. And you can grab it over at the Oraloa website, and I would love it if you use my code bevbe15. You can get 15% off, and yes, I do get a very tiny kickback if you use bevbe15. So I would appreciate it. If not, there's other codes you can use out there, but 15% off, like, can't beat 15% off bevbe15. Let me know again what you guys think of this. I will see you guys in my next video, and if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button to keep updated with me doing this diamond painting and the square Oraloa diamond painting. Until next time, bye!